Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 3 minutes. So be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. So let's start. First of all, insert a blank slide and insert your picture in the background. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, and insert a rectangle that covers about much less than half of the template. Adjust it, remove its outline, change its fill to white, go to Format Shape, and give it some shadow, and increase its size. Change its angle to 0, and increase its size again, and increase its blur rate as well. And go to transparency and increase it as well. There you go. Now close the format and you're gonna duplicate the rectangle about 3 times. You're gonna send each of them backwards and increase their area that they cover the entire of the slide, like half of the template. And for each of them, we're gonna increase their transparency one by one. Let's adjust them and increase the size in the background so that there is no fill remaining and no transparency change. Something like this, I'm gonna put them just out of the template and there you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate them and group them. Increase the picture size and put it onto the template by adjusting it. Something like this. Now what you're gonna do is duplicate this template and adjust this picture perfectly onto the second template that the entire scenery is visible. Go to first template and move these shapes onto the left side out of the template, and you're gonna select both the templates and give them morph transitions. This is the preview. So let's add our text, and there you go. I've added a beautiful text onto the first and second slide, and let me just adjust it and go to first template, paste the text as well, but you're gonna move it onto the rectangles out of the template. So that was all for today. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. You can get this template for free from the link in the description. You can also check out my Patreon for more free content. Meet you in another video with more amazing content similar to this.